Everybody get that in for the spin cycle.
I have a question.
Yeah, I got it in for spin cycle.
I have a question. If you have enough supplies, can you, and like this like things that like acts like a womb, can you just pretty much develop a baby in a lab?
Yeah.
No.
Like all
So
of
this
it
is
is.
just gonna be part
How
two.
do you get all
Yeah,
the
or
blood
if you
vessels
can
that
figure
grow
out a
the
way to put
brain
it
and
together.
connect
Yeah,
the
that part
baby?
2, yeah.
Nothing can
He's a lab baby.
growing entirely.
Part 2.
Not shaking.
They need to be in a uterus in a mother.
Part 2.
The placenta, the nutrients,
It's so
the protection,
cringe.
the immune system
I actually
of
had
the
followers. That was just like friend followers.
Oh my god.
Plus, I don't think
Yeah.
they would fly. I don't think
My last video got, you know, that hugging one?
You could
I got
technically
1.7 thousand views.
engineer a monster.
I don't think I should put my name on camera.
Do it anyway.
I literally got this
Because
far.
it's backwards.
I'm just doing
That's
it for a
mine,
tiny bit of
folks.
cash to max everything.
I already showed them mine on part 1, but I'll do it again.
Yeah, it's all 2 minutes in a real life.
You'll never see my face.
1,000 times a minute. So it says RPM times 1,000.
RPM times 1,000, that's nuts.
1 RPM times
That-
1,000
yeah, that's-
times a minute.
Dude, that's fast. That's fast. What if it was per millisecond? RPM 1,000. That's fast. What about millisecond? Oh, I need to put this back in. I just let it sit on the ground. What about RPS?
Getting the initial
Dude,
instruction.
he just took a
RPS. 1,000 RPS.
Pretty much genetically engineered.
And this is
Rapidly punching system.
My camera is actually dead.
My camera's actually dead.
This
Camera's
thing,
been dead.
this thing won't pop out. When I say it won't pop out, it does. Oh, that's great. It won't pop out.
well, for me,
I can't take a video. We're just gonna die.
labs today.
I can take videos.
Fly for each class.
Really?
2 and 10.
Oh, now it says battery exhausted. Bro, oh, it says battery exhausted now. Makes sense.
Wait, no. Put it in the camera so you
I
can
was
hold
waiting
it.
for someone to ask
Put it in the
that.
other camera.
What?
Why is this a different color?
Oh my god, it actually went over.
It looks orange. It really purifies it so you can see the original color of the media.
Makes sense.
Redder. Some have more orange. Sometimes when the media gets really yellow, means the bottle's getting old and it's getting more acidic and it's time to change it.
Yellow
it's not.
color.
So red is good.
Of this?
Orange, yellow means it's time to get a new bottle. of
No.
media. So like this
Orange
is
and yellow means get a new one.
That's when you get
but
to
it's still
school.
good. And then sometimes you'll see it yellow.
You get to school at 8.
Remember what to do?
You guys, do you not know how to read landing?
Because stem
That's
cells
how we
like
get there,
it.
kept four, so I
no.
just went with it.
It's 8
Cells
p.m.
like
I said
Julius, off your phone.
not too acid,
might leave
not
this
too alkaline.
Before 8.
Just listen. So
That's when we get back to school.
So that'll leave
Listen up.
Alright. Maddie, back at your station.
Go back to the school.
Julius, off your phone.
Okay.
My phone is basically dead.
You guys, I really need you to stop spinning the chairs and please pay attention. We're almost done, okay?
Almost done.
Maddie's chairs are showing just my phone.
Don't spin the chairs. Everybody listening? Don't touch anything. So stem cells like it a neutral pH, pH scale, more acid or more alkaline. So they like it like milk. I mean, our body temperatures are nice and neutral. We're not acid like that or acid. You're pulling them off the body. So the media, if it's red, it has special diodes in there that indicate if it's fresh and you can use it. So red is good. It might be some neutral. Yellow is too acidic. They tend to want those.
Red good, yellow bad.
Okay, so the last step is plating. I've got a
Mine's
Photoshop
like
site that you
orange,
guys have
so
all the time, and then
it's kind of halfway.
plating is simply taking your sample and you're going to give it a fresh feeding. Mine's already full. But whoever didn't get to use this motorized pipette, hold it straight up and down. Straight up and down. Stick it in.
Can the single people do it again?
Yes, but very, very carefully, alright?
Fill it up to the
10.
10, okay.
little 10.
Little 10.
Straight up and down.
Little 10, okay.
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down. Okay, set it down until you're ready.
This. Perfect. Nice.
Then now you're ready.
You can do it. Get the lid off of there. Okay. Make sure you're keeping it straight up and down.
Feed yourselves with 10. That's the little 10 or the big 0. Yeah.
Yep.
Good job. Everything's straight up and down. I love it.
This is a water gun.
And then mix it. Rock it, just mix the food in the cells. So now they've had a second fresh tour of eating.
I went all the way to the top. I can see where the little 10 is.
So you guys would have like.
I hope you saw that. I've been doing it.
Okay, minus 10. Okay, what do I do now?
Okay,
Alright, put it in your thing.
Feed yourselves quickly,
Feed
guys.
yourself.
We're running out of time.
my cells are not hungry.
Okay, put that down very carefully.
Yeah.
Now put your lids back on.
Yeah, well,
Lid.
this
Excellent.
color,
Alright, Julius.
red.
Good. I'm watching. What?
You want us to mix it?
She didn't say mix it.
Okay.
Whenever you get oh, yeah, you can mix it. I've said it before, but make sure you did that step.
I fell out of my chair.
Okay, I have to move on. If you're not hearing, don't ask me again. Take your nice dark blue box of pipette tips, lift it up. There we go. And whoever didn't get to use this before, you're gonna get to use it.
Stick it in.
You each have a plate, a 6-well plate. And we're gonna plate the cells, or give them room to grow into colonies, just like the ones on the microscope. So take the lid off of the plate, set it upside down on the mat.
The lid?
Yeah, your 6-well plate has a lid. Open up your dark blue box of pipette tips and stick a nice tip on there. Lift it out, close the box.
Lid upside down.
Yeah. You don't want anything that's inside of anything that might be close to the cell or touching them to feed or touching the mat.
Why don't you put that
Okay,
in
and
there?
now, someone in the group can do 2
Put this
squirts.
tool down. Put that in there, take
Like
the lid
one
off.
squirt in one dish, another
Put this
squirt
in
in
here
another
and
dish.
take the lid off.
So how you do that is you push it down to the soft stop. Remember that soft one where you can still see white? Put it in your sample. Gently pump and mix till you see those cells break up from the bottom. Break up your pellet. If it's not already broken up. And then while it's still in there, remember you kind of push it down to the soft stop
All the way to the bottom.
and release it and then pull it out.
Soft
Just
spot.
this full
Push
tip.
it down to the soft spot.
And if you don't, just
And then
practice
just
it.
kind of-
It's something you guys feel of it, And then squirt it all down to the hard stop in one of your wells.
And the bottom of these.
So the whole squirt goes in one thing?
Yeah, the whole squirt goes in one thing.
That's scientific talk, right?
Squirt,
Whole
I love
squirt,
squirt. And if it's not totally covering the bottom, that's perfect.
Okay.
Well, I say
You're done
maybe
with
a
it?
lot.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
It's really expensive.
If it's not covering the total bottom of the well, we can kind of swirl it
then
gently
you
around,
might
break
need
the
it
surface tension and just make sure it's covered.
So
Or
then
you
I
can
put it
squirt a
in
little
this.
more in there, fill it up. Okay, the last thing I'm going to tell you about this step is once you do 1 or 2 wells, please hand it to your partner so they can do a few wells.
Do we do the whole? Just do 1 or 2. Just do 1 or 2 and then you can put all your stuff.
Guys, make sure you pump and mix every time you suck up a tipful because those cells want to settle to the bottom. And in a real lab, they want to clump together.
So we only
So
do
you're
2?
constantly mixing and pumping and mixing and pumping.
Pumping and mixing it a lot
Yeah, and you can watch me how I do it. try not to make bubbles, but if you make a few, that's okay. It takes a little practice.
Are we supposed to shake it after?
So you get the bubbles and you're all the way down at the bottom. So she's not all the way down at the bottom if you watch.
No, because what's that? That's the mechanical stress.
Alright, so
Yeah,
do one more and then put all your stuff down and away.
What I did say was you could gently swirl it to cover the bottom, or you can just add a little, top it off, just so the bottom's
Alright, that's
covered.
probably enough of them, okay, baby?
Yeah.
You want us to dispose of the tip?
Yes, dispose of the tip with the lever and the bio-waste.
Bio
Throw it away.
Okay. So you might get 4 or 5 or 6, it's fine, however many you want. I see them in real labs with sometimes just 2 filled, depending on what somebody's doing.
So I did 3. I did 4, but I did
I really want to come to school now.
like
Work.
a whole thing on like 2 whole things on 1. So it gets a good mix.
Okay, you guys, this is the last thing I'm going to tell you, and then you can just leave everything there, set everything down. Just hold your tray. Now, teaching moment. In a real lab, those cells would be soluble. You wouldn't be able to see them. But because the ginger powder is visible, you can hold it up to one of the lights and see if you did a really good pipetting mixing technique. If you see little ginger powder dots, then you did a really good job mixing.
I see some ginger.
Powders blobbed into one dish, then whatever it's called.
Oh wow, I see a lot. I did good.
So
I did a good amount.
Bad Maddie.
Okay, one last thing.
I did a good amount.
Put everything, yeah, flick your tips off, and then please listen to me. One last
You
thing.
just get okay. You wanna look at mine? Dude, put this here. You idiot.
This is really important.
You wanna look at mine?
They're scientists, so scientists. Okay, so the next step would be to put your whole plate in an incubator, which is nice warm cabinet.
But we're not
that's
doing that.
humid. It gives the cells everything they get as if they were in your body. So they get a dark cabinet to protect themselves from light. What protects us from light? The largest organ in our body.
Skin.
They get body temperature with the cabinets set to 37 degrees Celsius.
37 degrees
A
Celsius.
tank of carbon dioxide is pumped in because we are 5% carbon dioxide. 100% humidity because we're mostly water. There's a pan of water in there. Food and oxygen is right here in the food and the plate. And then every day they take them out, suck off the eaten up media, squirt fresh media on. And then after about 3-4 days, they start growing into tiny little baby colonies that start looking like that on the microscope. And so what I'm going to do is, to the leader of your group, I'm going to send a video that I filmed in a real stem cell lab that shows a scientist doing the next steps that you guys would be doing.
Ooh.
If you were in real
Next
lab.
steps.
I think it's cool because you'll recognize a lot of the same equipment and stuff you did. So,
I'll try to figure out if it's possible to
Oh,
genetically
more.
engineer